Again, today in this very important video, we're going to understand that what is VWAP. VWAP is one of the most used indicator by traders. It's a little bit complex, but I will try to simplify you in the video what is VWAP and how you can manage your trade according to it. So VWAP stands for volume weighted average price. So what does that mean? So let's read the theoretical part of it or the definition of it. So it says VWAP is a technical indicator that shows the average price of a stock based on both the price and trading volume throughout the trading day. Unlike a simple average, VWAP gives more importance to price where a higher trading volume occurred. So VWAP basically tells us what was the exact price point when the high volume trade is taken place or trade is executed basically. So VWAP tells you according to it. So VWAP is simply as we were seeing on the screen, like SMA or EMA. This is kind of a line which I will show you, and which indicates you the proper volume that when is volume is high, so you can take your trade, take place of your trade according to it. Traders use VWAP to identify the market trend, determination fair value, and find potential buyer or sell opportunities. Generally, when the price is above VWAP, it indicates a bullish signal, while trading below VWAP suggests a bearish momentum. If you understand nothing, let me clarify to you. The one sentence that I am just telling is all about the VWAP. When the price is always wanted to stick with VWAP line. If the price is below the VWAP line, that becomes a bullish signal for us. If the price is up the VWAP line, that becomes a selling signal for us. Why it is happening? Because for the longer term itself, it is seen that the price is always stick with the VWAP line. If I will show you exactly, let me delete everything from the chart, and I have deleted it. You have to go simply to the VWAP sections and search about the indicated sections and search about VWAP, volume weighted average price. I have to just click here, and you don't have to change any kind of the setting. Just put it as it is right now. You can just change the color of it. So let me uh, change the color as a white and a little bit bold. Okay, so if I will, and I don't need this kind of thing, I can enable all of these things. So I just need the VWAP line, and we're on the chart of 15 minutes. So let me just switch into 5-minute chart where I can actually take in place the trade, right? So this is the white line, which tells us the VWAP line. Simply just I knew that most of the trader, most of the analysts will disagree on that fact that this is the potential breakout, you can say. If you can trade on the the support and resistance level, so it is a potential resistance level for us, and price is on the resistance level. So it could be possible that price is resistance level को break कर दे potentially, but that is also not happening, because if you can take place your trade according to it, so your current trade is for the bearishness, because the VWAP line is below of the price line, and if and between the VWAP line and the candle is currently forming उसके अंदर अगर there is a fair gap between it, so that could be also possible that एक there is a bearish signal the market is giving us. And similarly, if the price is moving below the VWAP line, and that becomes a bearish signal if you think, and if you do that, so that is the price when the that is the point when the price is moving up the VWAP line, and the price have to exactly end of fall. And as you can see that the wave up line के नीचे है this price, and the prices actually have to go up. So you can take your trade according to it, so that this is very important, and this is very useful also. So if I will show you on the day chart that the VWAP line is accurately stick with the candle, if you can see that it is absolutely perfect that how the candle is stick with the each and every day candle. So that is why I will tell you that the price is always wanted to go to the VWAP level itself. Okay, so I hope you get it, and if you have any query you can ask in the comment section, so I will definitely try to answer your question. I will see you on the next video. Bye.